Hey everybody, this is Frau G, and I'm here to go over a quick assignment with you today. So this assignment is like a mini project or a bit of a larger homework grade. We usually calculate it at 15 points, and what you're going to do is open up this classroom expressions document, which goes over the useful expressions in the classroom, or as we say, Nützliche Ausdrücke im Klassenzimmer. And to complete this assignment, what you are going to do is take half of a regular piece of printer paper, so it'll be about this size, and you're basically going to make a poster for us, okay? So your poster is going to depict just one of these Nützliche Ausdrücke im Klassenzimmer, right? The student decided to draw a little diddle, right? And you are going to illustrate one of those expressions. As you can see on these examples, there is no white space. Everything is completely colored in, so that is part of what we will be looking for. And you are going to choose one of these expressions from this list. And you may also choose to open the Quizlet Set, which is linked, and I already have it up here for you. Of course, we encourage you, like always, to start with flashcards and go from the top to the bottom or left to right, where you will do flashcards, learn, write, etc. until you get to the games. And after you're more familiar with the words and know what is offered on this list, you can choose to do your drawing. Now, let's say you're not very artistic or you don't really enjoy doing that much artwork. Well, you can do a very simple design, right? It does not need to be super intricate. Here is an example of that. And of course, this one says, Darf ich bitte Wasser trinken? The one before said, Ich verstehe nicht, right? Ich verstehe nicht. And so you are going to do one of these little drawings, and who knows, maybe we'll end up making copies and hanging it in our classrooms. Of course, the way things have been as of late, we're getting more and more comfortable with technology. So if you decide to do your drawing through some sort of graphic design website, whether it's Paint or Clecky, I'm not really sure, that's up to you. If you feel comfortable doing it online, you are also welcome doing a graphic design versus hand-drawn. Of course, we love hand-drawn and encourage it. Doesn't matter how detailed or not detailed it is. Right here are, again, those examples for you. That is up to you. We will also link more examples to Google Classroom, as well as this Quizlet set and this other one as well, which you may have already seen. We may have already given you some assignments in this Quizlet set, which is Verben, the regular verbs used in classroom phrases. And of course, for both of them, the whole goal is classroom phrases, because we are trying to encourage and get you to speak German as much as possible when speaking with us or with one another in the classroom. And of course, these posters are going to be useful for that as well, and that is why we can't wait to see what you do with this. Again, it's 15 points. Make sure you check Google Classroom for the due date, and all of these links will be there for you in addition to extra examples. If you have any questions at all, of course, we're here for you, and we encourage you to send us an email. You may either email myself or Frau V, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. And that's all for now. I hope you have a good rest of the day. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.